You see all these cute and funny birds videos and stuff like that, but do any of them really show you what it's like to have a parrot? You've got this, which I clean weekly. You've got them eating off my plate, drinking out of my cup. There is poop everywhere, and I clean it up every time. There are seeds all over the floor. Her cage is a mess. And there's little random poops all over the house. You want a parrot? You want a bird? Yeah. Are you sure? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, not to mention the little pieces of wood, chunks that she takes out of everything. Bites on the floorboards. Bites on the cabinets. All of those little pieces of wood missing. Yeah, they're from her. They're from her. Huh. Marco. Hello. Marco. She's into sounds this morning rather than talking. This bird. A bird. Any bird. Prepare. This is actually my dad's bird. And we have a love-hate relationship. Oh yeah, on that cupboard right there. And on the inside of it. I know. Marco. Oh. I don't know. If you want a parrot, be prepared to spend a lot of time on them. And mostly in training and in getting bit and bleeding. And doing home repairs because they bite the wood. Again, this goes for mostly parrots. Yeah. This is the backside of all those cute parrot videos and clips and... Don't do it. Stay here. All those funny leg dropping.